I really appreciate the efforts taken by the school and the teachers to teach the students in this particular manner. My kids are really satisfied with this particular system.
It is my sincere duty to express my gratitude to Principal Ma'am, to HR department and the teaching staff for the utmost care and attention they give to our children.
They are making sure that the kids are engaged well. We've been given activities, and the most important part is we always receive a message one day prior on the app telling us about the things that we need to keep ready for the next day's activities. We receive a timetable on every Sunday stating about what we're going to do the entire week, how is the learning going to be, and what are the kids going to learn at the end of the week.
Hi, I'm Geeta Sham Mulani and this is my co-sister Kavita Mulani. We stay in Dubai and we had taken admission of our children in DPS Nasik and were supposed to come to India in March. But due to COVID-19, we could not reach there. But with the help of online education, our children have not missed on anything. I have two boys, one is in grade 2 and one in grade 5. And though the syllabus is different, but with the help of teachers, we have coped up with the portion and my children are doing quite well.
We attend all activities, all these assignments, study work, and he enjoy all the activities. Activities are very innovative.
पण ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्समध्ये बऱ्यापैकी जास्त प्रमाणात एफर्ट्स घेताना दिसत आहेत. मुलांना कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर व्हावी, मुलांना व्यवस्थित समजावं याच्यासाठी ते बऱ्यापैकी प्रयत्न करत आहेत आणि मुलंही या सगळ्या गोष्टींकडे आता यूज टू झालेले आहेत. ते लेक्चर्स अटेंड करतात सिन्सिअरली.
The school authorities and the teachers have been doing a commendable job by working round the clock and making learning fun, easy and creative with the help of different tools like the Padlet, Edpuzzle, Google Slides and many more. I was never a tech savvy, but thanks to the school to make me techno friendly.
The sessions are very interactive. We are able to understand the content of the subjects well through videos, PPTs, and moreover, the teachers and the management have been very helpful.
Online teaching has become the new way and our teachers have rigorously trained for the same. Each teacher has put in her heart and soul in training herself so that she is able to use the latest tools to make her virtual classrooms effective.
We really feel grateful that we could reach out to our students and our parents instantaneously.
DeepSites adapted to online learning environment very quickly, which encourage us teachers to give them the best learning experience through 3D visual simulation techniques of the concepts, or making interactive mode of lessons like quiz, poll, surveys, etc.
I would like to extend my sincere gratitude towards the parents who have helped and motivated and appreciated the efforts taken by all the teachers and the staff members. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude towards the management of the organization who have kept us motivated by providing the necessary infrastructure and the timely payment of full salary.
When this COVID-19 situation come through, we as a DPS family looked at it positively as a platform for learning and growing as an organization. We immediately started with our online sessions. The school building was closed, but the learning did not stop. We continued progressing and working towards making this online experience more enriching and exciting for our students. We worked and collaborated as a family and overcame all the hurdles and moved forward with more efforts and dedication. This journey wouldn't have been possible without the support of the parents. You all have helped and assisted us.
Jai Hind everyone. COVID-19 could not dampen our spirits, neither for our teachers nor for our little ones. We together hopped into a new way of learning, that was e-learning. We had loads and loads of activities. We had circle time, story time, and we had rhyme time, and we had a super summer bash which we really enjoyed a lot with our little ones. We miss them definitely. We cannot go and hug them, but seeing them every day gives us a lot of pleasure.